All right, do a username. Hi, Sandy.
Hi,
Good
Luann.
morning.
Good morning.
We would like you to tell us a little bit about your experience with a implant-supported fixed bridge versus a denture, removable denture.
I did not want a removable denture.
What didn't you like about the idea of a removable denture?
Taking them in and out every night, cleaning them, soaking them, having to use polygrip to keep them in, and then trying to get the polygrip off. It was just better to go with the bridge.
So the implant-supported bridge does not come in and out. It is fixed in your mouth.
Yes, yes.
Tell us what you like about your new life versus your old life with the new implant-supported
I
fixed
can
bridge.
eat pretty much anything I want now, like steak.
So your chewing ability has increased.
Yes.
Your food choices are anything
Endless.
you like. Endless. Very
Endless.
good. Very good. Very good.
And I can smile.
Very good. What advice would you give someone who is trying to decide to go with a removable denture versus an implant fixed bridge?
The implant fixed bridge allows you to taste better, chew better, and not have to worry about them falling out.
And one last question, Sandy. Why did you choose St. John's Dental Care for your dental work?
I have been coming to Dr. Connelly since 2003. We've worked tirelessly on my upper teeth. It just seemed like the more we worked, the more my teeth, some other tooth would have an issue. So Dr. Connelly gave me several options and I chose the bridge.
And are you happy with your choice?
Yes, extremely happy.
Thank you, Sandy.